Let's walk you through each of the steps of an asphalt shingled roofing project. First, we strip the roof and inspect for any rotted wood or damage. Next, we install your vapor barrier. That would be your ice and water shield, and then your synthetic underlayment or felt. Then we put on your drip edge and starter course. Then we move on to the shingling process. This is called a staggered installation or a stair-step. You can see the men are wearing harnesses, taking every safety precaution while on the home. We replace all of your flashings on the pipes coming through the roof, and make sure the roof has the proper ventilation with a ridge vent. And here we have the finished project. Another beautiful roof installed by Stella Roofing Services.